YouTube? All right, YouTube, check it out. Hey, if y'all seen one of my last videos, you know your boy got the new Cocco Trimmer in. Check that out right there. We got that new Cocco. What is it? Hyper, I can't even say that. Hyper Veloce. Should it say velocity? I don't know. That's it right there. Look. So look, let's take a look at the box. As y'all can see, we got the trimmer on there. Check that out. Pretty nice boxing from, pretty nice packaging from Cocco. Check that out. All metal alloy aluminum housing, digital gap graphite blades with R-angled taper deep tooth. Not exactly sure what that means, but I know the digital gapping is the hype behind this trimmer, so just keep that in mind. High torque BLDC motor, high speed, strong power, USB charging, lithium ion battery, 3 hours charging and 2 hours running. So I gotta charge this longer than I can use it. All right, ergonomic hand grip design. So we got a high torque brushless motor, long lasting, fast charging, lithium ion battery, digital gap. Yeah, that's basically what we got on there. As you can see on the back, we got the different colors that you can get this trimmer in. But let's go ahead and open this up. All right, check it out. Here's the box inside of the sleeve. Hey, but one time real quick, I do want to say I appreciate Forward Barber Supply for sending this to your boy. So if y'all need any tools, anything barber related, y'all head to fwbarbersupply.com. Check them out, man. They got all the different brands of tools, different brands of clippers, anything you need in the barbershop, they got. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to this trimmer right here. So the box basically says the same thing that we saw on here. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this right here. All right, so we got the booklet, we ain't reading. Let's just get straight to the hardware right here. Check it out. And then something already fell off. I think that was just the blade cover. But check it out, that's the trimmer right here. Digital gap blade. Why this thing don't even turn on? Come on. All right, well, out the box, it ain't even, it don't turn on out the box, but let's put that back in the box. Let's see what else comes in here. So we got another box inside the box. So we got the charging brick, as y'all can see. We got the charging cord, it's USB on the side that goes into the brick, and then it's this style charger on the opposite side. We do have a screwdriver, I guess, in case you want to undigitally gap it or y'all know what I mean. Throw that to the side. We got another box in here. Let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, so this one is the charging dock. Nice quality charging dock. But yeah, man, that's basically what comes in the box. We got the trimmer, the charging dock, the charging cord, and the charging brick. But let's go ahead and charge this thing up for 3 hours and then see what this trimmer does. Let's get it. All right, guys. We're gonna take these Cocco trimmers. I finally charged them up. I don't know if I charged them for 2 or 3 hours, but they should hold a charge. That's them things on. Let's get to work. So I'm gonna go in on this side, punching in my initial line first. And these things eating, man. Check that out. Let's come up with it. Yeah, for balding these things, yeah, they're working good, easy, going through that hair pretty good. And this is straight out the box in case anyone was interested. You know, they digital gapping, so we're gonna run it this way, see what it does, see how it works. But already I can tell these things eating. Now we're just gonna come up with it You can hear these clippers or these trimmers mowing through that hair, man. I'm actually impressed with them. I didn't think I was gonna like them. I thought they was all hype, but for balding out, hey, these things working good. We're gonna see how they work when it comes to putting some lines in there though here in a minute. But as far as balding, can't complain, man. They working good. All right, now we're gonna hit up the lineup.
First of all, shut up. I didn't tell you what. First of all,
Hey, these things hit. These things hitting. Now, I don't know if digital gap is all hype or what it is exactly, but hey, these things gap good and they lining up good. We're gonna take the Cocco Trimmer. We're gonna bald out this taper. Y'all seen me using this trimmer already on a couple cuts. So I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm liking it. It's working good for me. It lines up good, balds out well. We're gonna see how this works back here for the taper. Like I said, man, this thing does line up well. I'm impressed with the way this thing works, man. I didn't expect it to actually work this good, but it's working good. Alright guys, as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Cocco Hyper Veloce Trimmer. Don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but y'all seen your boy using this in the video. I was gonna get it when I was at Texas Barber Expo, but I ended up getting busy shooting content, creating content and whatnot, so I forgot to get me one. But I talked to my boy Edward from FW Barber Supply, Fort Worth Barber Supply. Y'all know what it is, man. Check them out when you need to purchase any tools. They have all the brands for barbers, different tools, different clippers, barber chairs, etc. Just anything barber related, they got at fwbarbersupply.com, so make sure to check them out. But like I was saying, they did send me the Cocco Hyper Veloce Trimmer. I'm assuming that's how you say it, not 100% sure, but check it out, man. Here is the trimmer. We did get it in the nice yellow. I like yellow, you know what I'm saying? I know some people don't like yellow, but I rock with yellow tools, man. I really like this yellow trimmer. Check it out. It does have a digital gap blade. So My understanding is it's just basically like super zero gap without causing any type of irritation, you know what I'm saying? And I did use it on my clients, I used it on myself, and nobody had any complaints. So the digital gapping is legit, and I put in air quotes because I'm not sure exactly what they do to digital gap it. Like I said, from my understanding, they just put it under like a microscope type deal and zero gap it really, really closely. So it is gapped really close, and as far as how it works out the box, it's ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Like, I took this out the box, I charged it, and I put it to work, you know what I'm saying? And y'all seen in the video, I was using it straight out the box, no adjustments needed, just worked good when it came to balding and lining up. And only reason why I decided to use this trimmer was I've heard people talking about it a lot, you know what I'm saying? I know Get Beam said that this trimmer was really, really good. I've just seen people using it online. I believe Wavy Kid Kev and 360 Jeezy said that it was a really good trimmer, so I was like, you know what, I gotta try it out. And then y'all been in my comments telling me to try out the Cocco Trimmer, so you know, I got to give y'all what y'all want. So I tried it out, and like I said, I liked it. Worked good for balding, worked good for lining. Ergonomically, it's a good trimmer. It kind of reminds me personally, it kind of reminds me of the Low Pro trimmer. Slightly different, but really similar to the Low Pro trimmer. As you can see, the blade looks real similar, really similar to the Babyless blades. Not saying anything else about that, just wanted to put that out there that it does resemble a Babyless blade. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all just so y'all can actually hear it again. So that thing is on. I did charge it when I first got it, and I used it all day, and it still got power. It feels super strong when you turn on this trimmer. You know, sometimes you turn on trimmers and they don't feel like they're gonna be good, but they are. But this one, when you turn it on, you feel that power. So it's a really powerful trimmer. And like I said, man, it worked really good. You know, I was actually impressed with this trimmer. Now, will I keep this on my station? Not 100% sure. And not because it's not a great tool, because, you know, I like the way it works. But the only reason why I say I'm not 100% sure is I have other tools that I've been putting to use, other trimmers that I've been using. And honestly, man, a lot of these companies are coming out with really good trimmers. So it's hard to figure out which ones are my favorite. I will be doing a video on that later on. So hopefully y'all stay tuned and y'all watch which trimmers are my favorite trimmers. But I don't know if this is gonna make the cut yet, but it is a good trimmer. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not saying that it's not good, because it's really good, works really well. Like I said, I've said it multiple times in this video. It balds out good and it lines up good, and I had no irritation on my clients or myself when I used it. So I know that it's a good tool, right? Now, if you're trying to get this tool, I believe on Fort Worth Barber Supply, it is $195. Now, that's not too bad, but it's not the greatest of prices either, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying that's because Fort Worth Barber Supply has it at a high price. I'm just saying that's probably from the company. They want it to be sold at a higher price. So $195 it's not too much. But if you're trying to get something that's a little more budget friendly, this one might not be the one for you. But if you ain't got a budget, then you might want to try this one out, man. Like, I really enjoyed using it. Great tool all in all. I like the ergonomics of it. It does come with a charging dock, and I believe I left the dock at the shop. But it does come with a charging dock and a charger, so it comes with what is needed to perform. But that's basically all I want to talk about on this trimmer, man. I know I'm not getting too much into the specs on this yet. This is just my initial thoughts on this trimmer. I will be continuing to use it and give y'all a full review later on. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.